What's going on, guys? I hope everyone's doing great this morning. Just want to show y'all a quick project that I was working on in my hometown Turrell to show some of the more natural, more beautiful landscapes that Turrell has to offer. I had a lot of fun doing it, and I hope y'all have some fun watching it. I thank y'all. Peace.
I'm screaming Turrell, I'm screaming Turrell, I'm screaming Turrell, yeah. I'm screaming Turrell bound, hit the ground, don't make a sound. You gon' have to lay it down if you don't, I'm walking round. I'm screaming Turrell bound, hit the ground, don't make a sound. You gon' have to lay it down if you don't, I'm walking round. I'm screaming Turrell bound, hit the ground, don't make a sound. You gon' have to lay it down if you don't, I'm walking round. I'm screaming Turrell bound, hit the ground, don't make a sound. You gon' have to lay it down if you don't, I'm walking.
What's going on, y'all? We're out here in Turrell, Arkansas, my hometown. We're out here at the Wapanocca State Park, National Park. I don't know what it is. It's some type of park. We're gonna go out here and check out some wildlife, some nature scenes. Gonna take some good camera shots, maybe do some drone video. We'll see. But as you see out here, right now we're at the office. Which is right over here. This is the office. Back in the day, it used to have some I don't know, it used to look a lot differently, but it's different now. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here to the nature drive, and we're gonna take our bus over here to the lake observation area, so we can see if the lake. Now, sometimes throughout the year, they have the lake dried up, or maybe they put some water in it because it's a man-made lake, so it can be filled and empty whenever they choose. I never knew anything about the Caillou, I can't even speak, canoe kayak launch. But we're gonna check it out. We're gonna get some good shots, hopefully do some drone video, and we'll see what's going on. Peace. Observation, aka the fishing pond, and like I said, come on with me. We're gonna see what we got going. Back in the day, when I was growing up in Turrell, I used to come out here, and we used to come out here and kick it. We had bikes back then, so I didn't have a car, so we rode our bikes out here just to have something to do. And then, like I said, in Turrell, you never knew like places like this actually exist. Not everybody came out there like this. So came out, explored, visited. They had something to do. I mean, and plus it was a beautiful nature place. I mean, it gives you kind of experience of what the world has to offer. I guess maybe kind of sort of, but it's just a lake here. I mean, pretty cool stuff. As you can see out here in the distance, we got the lake is actually filled up. Now, as you can see out here, you look at these trees, they're like deeply rooted. I don't know if you can see like the type of trees that these are. Like these are cypress trees. And cypress trees can actually live in water, like just live deep water like this. They roots go very deep. Very deep to the ground. And normally this water goes all the way up. Now you can see right here off in this edge in this corner out here that the water's not all the way up, but sometimes it comes all the way up, even all the way out there into the distance. Kind of fun, like I kind of feel like what's his face? Hi, Mike. We're in Africa.
Some big. Oh man, I forgot to call them things.
What's that?
These right here. Seaweed leaves
I
or
don't know
something
what
like
you call
that.
them.
People used to put them in their mouth and like blow whistles with them.
Oh yeah.
Make funny sounds.
What you call it? Johnson grass?
Mm-hmm, something like that.
But yeah, I think if we come a little bit further, closer up, you're gonna see where people actually came out here to show their love and appreciation. And a lot of these things are engraved with people's names, like this one there right here that says Candace. Right there, I don't know who Candace is, but that's somebody boo. Chloe, right there. Heart signs, all kind of stuff. It's beautiful out here. Check out that distance. Check out that view. Goes all the way from left to right. It's beautiful out here. But let's see what we can find with our drone exclusive drone footage shot. Let's get started.